In the cities of the future, we'll feel the influence of robots even in the most ordinary moments of daily life. Before sunrise, you'll see cleaning robots silently working across sidewalks and city squares. These machines, operating throughout the night, use advanced sensors to collect trash, detect spilled liquids or lost items, and report them instantly to the relevant city services. The City Management Center tracks dozens of cleaning robots in real time on a digital map, instantly dispatching more robots wherever needed. So everyone heading out to work in the morning starts the day in a spotlessly clean city. It's not just about cleaning. Waste management is also being transformed. Smart trash bins along the sidewalks constantly relay their fill levels to the city system. Real-time analysis shows which street produces what kind of waste and when. Which materials need recycling. Smart robots sort organic and recyclable waste, ensuring city waste is managed with minimum energy and environmental impact. In some cities, even garbage trucks will be fully autonomous, collecting waste at night or during off-peak hours to avoid traffic and increase efficiency. When you order groceries or food, it will no longer be delivered by classic couriers, but by autonomous delivery robots or drones. Across the city, smart delivery lockers will be common at building entrances. When your order arrives, you receive a notification and simply scan your QR code to retrieve your package. For larger shopping, unmanned vehicles are used. For smaller, urgent needs, drones or small robots do the job. For late-night emergencies, say, a needed medication, this system provides both speed and security in public spaces like parks and squares. Security will be managed almost entirely by robots and smart cameras. Security robots on patrol at night, equipped with cameras and thermal sensors, monitor for unusual events and report suspicious behavior to the city center. During festivals or large public gatherings, monitoring thousands of people and responding instantly to dangers will be easier and faster, especially in crowded cities where it's difficult for people to access all areas. The role of security robots will only grow. In parks, children won't just play with real dogs, they'll also play with interactive robot dogs. These robots will offer coding and logic-based games, supporting children's learning and social development. For people with disabilities, guide robots will help with navigation, shopping, and instant communication with emergency services if needed. The traffic revolution will be dramatic. Smart traffic lights, sensors, and cameras will monitor both pedestrian and vehicle traffic in real time, optimizing flow on the fly. Autonomous vehicles and driverless buses will make urban transport safer, reducing human error and accidents. Sidewalks, crossings, and roads will be redesigned so that robots can move as easily as people. Dedicated lanes and loading zones for delivery robots will appear. Smart signs along the road will send real-time alerts to both people and machines. Disaster management will benefit enormously from this technological shift. In an earthquake, fire, or flood, unmanned aerial vehicles, search and rescue robots, and mobile health robots will take action. These machines will access risky or hard-to-reach areas, locate people under debris with thermal sensors, and relay information to rescue teams. Firefighting robots will make first interventions in places that are too dangerous for people. Smart sensors will monitor the structural safety of buildings in real time, identifying potential risks before disaster strikes. Energy and environmental management will also become entirely smart. Future cities will only turn on streetlights when necessary. Sensors will instantly detect air pollution or water leaks and notify the right teams. Wastewater will be filtered automatically, and renewable energy production and consumption will be optimized. The ecological footprint of cities will drop significantly. The world of work and professions will change radically too. The need for Human labor in cleaning, delivery, and security will decrease. But there will be new opportunities. Robot maintenance, software development, big data analysis, AI training, and human-robot interaction consulting. City administrations will roll out lifelong learning and skills training programs to help people adapt. Digital literacy will be essential for everyone. For seniors and those less familiar with technology, there will be special support programs and new community networks to ensure their inclusion. All these advancements will make cities more livable, clean, safe, and sustainable. But this transformation will bring new debates. Issues like privacy, data security, and ethics will become central to urban life. New laws will be needed to regulate how data collected by robots is protected, who has access to it, and who's responsible if something goes wrong. Robust cybersecurity defenses will be developed, and city infrastructure will be constantly updated and backed up. Socially, adapting to robots will take time. For children, robots will be a natural part of life, but for seniors and people who didn't grow up with technology, the adjustment may be more difficult. Awareness programs and social activities will be organized to strengthen human-robot interaction and foster social harmony. In neighborhoods, new forms of neighborly relations will emerge between people and robots. New ways of sharing common spaces will develop. Competition between cities will take on a whole new dimension. Cities with the best smart infrastructure, safety, and quality of life will attract more investment and migration. Cities that lag behind will need to invest more to prevent social and economic inequality. In short, robots will be everywhere in the cities of the future. Seeing a robot sweeping the sidewalk as you head to work, having your order delivered by an unmanned vehicle, spotting a security robot on patrol in your neighborhood, or seeing children play with robot dogs in the park will be perfectly normal. In emergencies, search and rescue robots will save lives. In energy and environmental management, automation systems will minimize errors. In public transport, driverless technologies will make cities smarter. But at the heart of all this change is the human being. The ultimate goal of robots and AI will be to make human life safer, easier, and happier. That's why community engagement, ethical values, and transparency must go hand in hand with the benefits of technology. Only when people and robots live together in harmony, when safety and prosperity are shared values, can we say a city is truly advanced. If you want to keep up with this transformation, be the first to learn about the opportunities and risks of technology and explore the future of our cities. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you again in the streets of the future.